Automation has revolutionized the way we manage mechanical and electrical systems, and at the heart of this transformation are Programmable Logic Controllers, or PLCs. These compact, robust devices have become the backbone of modern industrial automation, allowing us to control machinery and processes with precision and efficiency. PLCs operate by receiving input signals from various sensors and devices, processing that information based on pre-programmed logic, and then sending output signals to actuators and other components. This cycle happens in real time, enabling immediate responses to changing conditions. Imagine a factory floor where machines are constantly adjusting to optimize production. That's the power of PLCs at work. One of the key advantages of PLCs is their versatility. They can be found in a wide range of applications, from controlling assembly lines to managing complex systems like airport baggage handling. In the latter, PLCs coordinate the movement of bags from check-in to the plane, ensuring that everything runs smoothly and efficiently. This not only speeds up the process, but also minimizes the risk of lost luggage. Another fascinating application is in building temperature control. Here, PLCs monitor and adjust heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems to maintain optimal comfort levels. They can respond to real-time data such as occupancy levels and outside temperature, making buildings more energy efficient and comfortable for occupants. The evolution of control systems has been remarkable. We started with simple relay-based systems, which were cumbersome and often required extensive wiring. With the advent of PLCs, we saw a shift towards more streamlined and flexible control solutions. PLCs can handle complex logic operations that would have required numerous relays, drastically reducing the size and complexity of control panels. Telecontrols play a significant role in this automation landscape. They allow for remote monitoring and control of PLC systems, making it possible to manage operations from anywhere. This is particularly valuable in industries where equipment is spread across large areas or in hazardous environments. With telecontrols, operators can ensure everything is functioning correctly without being physically present. When it comes to input and output modules, PLCs offer a variety of options to suit different applications. Digital input modules can read signals from switches and sensors, while analog input modules can process signals from devices like temperature sensors. On the output side, PLCs can control motors, lights, and other devices, providing a comprehensive control solution. The benefits of using PLCs over traditional relay systems are clear. PLCs are more reliable, easier to program and modify, and they require less physical space. They can handle complex tasks with greater efficiency and can be easily integrated into existing systems. This adaptability not only saves time, but also reduces costs in the long run. In summary, PLCs are a game changer in the world of automation. Their ability to streamline processes, enhance efficiency, and provide real-time control has made them indispensable in both commercial and industrial settings. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of technology, PLCs will undoubtedly remain at the forefront of automation solutions.